Yo, what's going on, guys? Andy here, back again with another recap. Um, took three scalps on Friday, so I didn't really make a video. I wasn't feeling really well, but today took one trade. Caught 15 points on three of my evals, so that was about it. It was just a little scalp. Maybe it was two trades. I'm not sure. I think it was this one. Just a long. Wrote it to VWAP. Let's go over it real quick. This one. Just in the first 5 minutes. First 5 minutes. Saw price coming down here. Didn't really touch it. And then saw it go back up. And then got in some longs. And then, I just wrote it to VWAP. You know what I mean? So that was the one trade that I took there on three accounts, and that gave me $280. We're up on the account, which is crazy. We're up $335. Not above the buffer though, because these accounts don't really have a buffer. So once I reach my consistency, I can actually take out the whole thing, but that would mean destroying the account. But yeah, the actual buffer is 52,600, so $100 above the drawdown for the account. So that is the actual buffer. So after 52,500, that's the buffer. You know what I mean? You just can't let the account hit 50,000, and everything above that you can take whenever. So as long as you meet the consistency rule. But on the live accounts, that gets turned into your total balance, the 2,500, which they give you, and you just can't lose the account no more. But you can withdraw, take payouts every day. So looky here, we're actually above the initial balance on two of the accounts, and we're at 49,000 on one of them. So this account was in drawdown of $500, after I messed up and hit the daily loss limit. Wait, did I not? Oh wait, no, this wasn't this account. This was the 81. Look at this. I hit the daily loss limit on this account by accident, and we've been slowly building it back up. One losing day last week, and then we already have a strong start to this week, which is great, So that is my fundeds, and I blew my two take profit evals in a very amazing manner. I just full ported. I got tilted, full ported, and I just lost those accounts. So, unfortunately, I was able to pay off those accounts that I bought. $400 I spent on them with my live account, but my live account isn't doing so well either. I've been hesitating a lot, and I haven't been taking the same trades. So that account is down right now. And I was down $250 today. So the account's at 2,400. So I need to do better. I could have taken just a variety of trades. I need to focus up more. I could have taken the same trades here. I could have shorted at the VWAP, look at this. Look at how many options. Shorted at the VWAP here. Would have played out great. Just so many short options here at the 21 EMA. Would have played out great. Would have caught, I don't even want to, measure it. It's just, I could have had a bunch of good trades, Could have had the same trades too. I could have, if I didn't want to, be aggressive, I could have just shorted at VWAP, in the first 5 minutes. Boom. It worked out great. You know what I mean? So, could have taken any amount of trades, but I don't know. The mindset is just different when it's my live, so been hesitating there. But the fundeds are okay. We're finally back up after so many weeks. Started it on the 15th. It's about to be a month. I haven't blown up in profit. That's great. And that's 9 winning days. So that's 9 out of the 30 winning days that's needed. Which is to put me to a live. It's looking good, 9 out of 30. That's almost a third of the way through, right? 9 out of 30 is 30%. Oh, that's 30% of the way through, but But yeah, we need, so, you know, not a third yet, but almost there. 3% shy of a third of the way through. So, you know, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. You know, one account's not doing so well, but the fundeds, I've been more confident taking the trades that I want to take. You know, if I get a $3,600 payout, like, I'll be able to pay off my credit card, and this 2,600, and I'll still have some money left, and I can probably put it in here. But I'm confident that I can build this back up. You know, I've lost a lot of money, but I've taken so much, so that's why it's like this. You know, but I've taken a lot of payouts from this, so you know, it's not like I put in 5,000 and I've lost 2,600. You know, I've taken out a lot of money, so that's why I'm confident that I can make it back. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this recap, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right. Peace.